Hey, you made it this far. You're probably going to go and read this entire article down below, but this is a summary with Sunny. In this article, and if you don't feel like reading it, here's what it's about.
When's the last time you actually negotiated with your lender? Most people don't. They take the first rate or offer they're given and assume that's the best they can do. But with non-QM loans, that's a big mistake, because this is the one part of the mortgage world where negotiation can actually pay off. See, unlike traditional banks that live and die by credit scores and tax returns, non-QM lenders have flexibility built right into their programs. That flexibility? It's leverage, if you know how to use it. So here's how the pros do it. First, shop around. I know it sounds basic, but with non-QM loans, every lender plays in a slightly different sandbox. Some specialize in bank statement loans, others in DSCR or asset-based financing. You could get 3 totally different quotes from 3 lenders, so don't just take the first one. Second, negotiate both the rate and the fees. Most people focus on interest rates, but lenders make just as much from add-on charges, underwriting, doc prep, processing. Ask what's flexible. You'll be surprised how often those can be reduced or waived. Third, use your leverage. If you've got strong equity, a solid payment history, or liquid assets, bring that to the table. The better your overall profile looks, the more negotiating power you have. Fourth, ask for multiple scenarios. Request quotes for interest only versus fully amortized, or different terms with and without points. When you can compare side by side, you'll see what's actually worth paying for. And fifth, work with a broker who knows the non-QM world inside and out. This market moves fast, and the right broker can structure your file to get you better pricing or special exceptions that banks won't even mention. The truth is, non-QM lenders expect you to negotiate. It's part of the game, and when you do it right, you can save thousands without changing a single thing about your credit or income. So don't settle for whatever number lands on that first quote. Be the borrower they don't expect. The one who asks questions, compares offers, and uses strategy instead of stress. At KEES Lending, our motto is, simple questions deserve simple answers. We help you negotiate smarter, not harder, so you can lock in the best non-QM deal for your financial future. If you're ready to see how much leverage you really have, reach out today. Let's structure your refinance or purchase like a pro.